Remember, the question was to evaluate I raised to power 110. That was the question, just to evaluate I raised to power 110. So, this is advanced mathematics, or they call it further mathematics. So, if you want to do this, look how to do it. There is something you're going to keep in your head. For example, now, there's something I was doing before. I was saying 0 factorial is equals to 1. So, there's something you're going to keep in your head. That's in further mathematics, we have models, we have method, we have the methodology of resolving each problems. So a problem like this now, when it comes to power of, this is called imaginary number. That I is called an imaginary number, which is the square root of -1. So when it comes to all these higher mathematics, there's something you're going to keep in your head, which is a model that will help you to solve other further problems. So the model we do use next to keep that any imaginary number raised to power 2 is always equal to -1. So you keep this one in your head. So if you do that, you're already good to go. So what you're going to do now, you are just going to bring out imaginary number raised to power 2 there. You just bring out imaginary number I raised to power 2. So we can bring out I raised to power 2 now. Look at it. We can say I raised to power 2. And what will 2 multiply to give us 110? I raised to power 2 times, 2 times 50 is 100. 2 times 55 will give us 110. So they just say I 110 times 55. So this one will be same thing as from indices. We can say it's same thing as I raised to power 2, then everything raised to power 55. I will say I raised to power 2 is -1. So you just change this one to -1. So we don't have -1 raised to power 55. And if you have a negative number like this, raised to power odd number means number 2 cannot divide. Raised to power odd number, the negative remain the same, and 1 raised to power anything is still 1. But because of this negative now, when the power is odd, the negative remain. When the power is even, the negative sign will disappear. And you also take note of that. It's very, very important. So because this power now cannot be divided by 2, it's odd. So this negative sign will still remain. And 1 raised to power anything is still 1. So we're going to have -1 as the answer. So I raised to power 110 is equals to -1. That is the absolute answer.